Hi, my name is Lauren Franklin. It's February 10th, 2022. And these are my notes on the back just to make sure that I stay on track today. But today I have dissected a chicken wing to show us the joint, well, the elbow joint specifically. Did not dissect this part, not to show the capsular joint, but specifically the elbow joint. So this bone up here is the humerus. This is the ulna, and this is the radius. These are the bones that make up the elbow joint. The elbow joint is a synovial joint, and it is a hinge joint, as you can see, back and forth. And it is also a type of synovial joint. I don't know if I said that already. But as far as parts of the joint, this white part all the way around is our articular capsule. That's what contains everything. Now, I have dissected and opened up the articular capsule so we can see what is inside of it. Oh, goodness. Okay. So, let me get my knife to point. We open this up. The very first thing that we see is a little bit of this yellow fat padding. No, don't know if the camera could see that. A yellow fat padding right through here. Okay, okay, that's much better. So a yellow fat padding right through here. By the way, I've completely bent this all the way backwards, but it's okay. Yellow fat padding, and then if we bring the elbow joint forward like we're supposed to, this all throughout here, we see this is the articular cartilage. This right through there, this cartilage membrane. This surrounds the bones to keep them from having too much friction. So there's our articular cartilage through here and up here. And like I said, here's our fat pad. Now right beneath our fat pad, we have our synovial membrane. So our synovial membrane lies right here. Oh goodness. Synovial membrane right here beneath the fat pad. Right there. But you would have to, oh goodness. I'm gonna try. Synovial membrane right beneath the fat pad, and it surrounds all of the bones. And inside the synovial membrane is the synovial fluid. So that's what keeps the bones lubricated, acts as a shock absorber. But yes, I apologize that the camera quality is not amazing, but I think, but yes, so you see the fat pad, this little bit of articular cartilage right there where my finger is that lubricates the bones. The synovial membrane right beneath this fat pad, this bit of tissue right here where my finger is, and all beneath that would be the synovial fluid that's surrounded by the synovial membrane to keep the joint lubricated. And this white part, again, all the way around, that is our articular capsule. So that is the structure of a elbow joint of a chicken wing. Again, I apologize for the camera quality. Anyways, my name is Lauren Franklin, and that's all I have for today. Thank you.